Alright, so for today's video, giving away another nice hat. It is a nice hat, tama. Nice shot hat from 3 Strokes. So meeting up and teaming up. Well, we're not teaming up. I think we're just meeting up with Gani from Japan. Pero for this video, I don't think magpupustahan kami ni Gani. So maglalaro na lang kami ni Doy. Straight up stroke play. Ay, straight up pala. Hindi, may plus pala. 5 strokes. No. Ano ka ba? 13 ka pa rin? Ako 8.5. Oh, game. So yan, si Gani, we already played before in Villamor. So umuwi sila. Tapos nag-message and yan, he wants to visit ulit Philippine Navy. So we're playing here in Philippine Navy, meeting up with his family. Kasama namin yung wife niya and his daughter na doktor. Nagre-ready na sila. Si Mika. Si Doc. Alright, so again, this is an open invitation for everyone. If you want to meet up and team up, sakto, since we still have a few merch that we can give away. Para, yeah, we can break 65 as a 2-man scramble, or we can play 2v2 against each other, or yeah, just play around together. So, yun, just message me. Thank you very much for all of your support. So, see you in the fairways and nice shot. Starting the meetup and team up here in hole number 1. 471 yards. Yeah, giving it to
7, January 7.
brother. Thank you very much ulit. Sorry, excuse. Ayan.
Nice to meet you again.
Nice to meet you again.
Happy to see you again.
Oo nga. Zero torque pa rin ba?
No.
hindi na zero torque.
Scotty na.
Oh, yes, brother. Pero may zero torque na rin ang ang Scotty.
Meron lahat. Oo, meron.
Oo, naglabas na. Ikaw.
Kasi doon ako nakilala ko siya.
Okay na yan.
First time talaga.
Yun! Nice shot. Nice shot! Pang video pala talaga. Nice shot. Ganda rin. Nice shot. Nice shot, Doc. Book course management para fairway. Hitting lang a 7 iron.
Nice shot.
Right off the fairway. Very crispy. Okay, Gani, second shot. Ay, si Doy muna. Si Doy, second shot. Oop, wag ka lang. Layo. Sa may GUR. Kick left. Balik. Okay, we have decided sasali daw si Gani. Maglalaro tayo, brother.
Hello.
Stroke play.
Yes.
Ay, mag-shoutout ka na ulit daw, brother.
Okay. Good morning to everyone. Here comes the Philippine for the longest time. Hindi ko na laruan. Na-amaze yung mga old friend ko.
Oo nga, nakita ko.
Sa start.
Ayan, magta-third shot na si Gani. O, shoutout ka rin. Ayan, shoutout there. Ikaw rin, John. Mag-shoutout ka na. Nice shot. Okay, Gani's third shot. So, you've decided mag-stroke play na rin kami and pating Olympics. Sobra lang sa kaliwa. Kick right. Olympian! Okay, so for my third shot, left with 70 yards. Tira mga 55. Oo. So may kaliwa, sala ng tangke, no?
Opo.
Ganda! Ay, go! Short, go!
Yun!
Nice shot.
Kala ko short. Okay, maganda pala. Kala ko short. Okay, Doy. This is his third shot. Roughly 55 yards to the flag. Ano bola? Hit the pin. Okay, so we have decided, kaming tatlo lang, si Doy, ako, at saka si Gani. We will play stroke play and also putting Olympics. And so 20 pesos per point, tapos big winner lang naman sa stroke play of 100 pesos. Oh, galing ng tira ni Doc, patong na rin siya. Ganda! Go! Ay, nabitin lang. Doy and Gani just outside of the green, potentially for 4 points. So si Gani is starting 18 under. Lakas. Tapos si Doy is 13 under, ako 8 under. Right inside. Wow! Olympian!
Talaga umano pa talaga.
3 points ka, Gani. Si Doy 2, ako 1. Okay, Gani, potentially for 3 points. Pasok! Nice putt. 2 points? Ano kay par? Par lang. Good putt. Nice one, brother. Okay, ako naman. Ito si Doc spotting for par. Sandy par. Kung may Olympics si Doc. 2 points. Nice putt, Doc. Good Sandy par. Ganda naman ang unang introduction sa video. Hi! Okay, I have this putt for birdie to go 2 points to tie Doy.
Nice birdie, brother.
2 points. Nice putt. Bogey. Good putt. Alright, hole number 2. Currently, I am 9 under. Gani is 17. Doy is still at 13. Tapos sa Olympics, kami din ni Doy may points na. Si Gani na wala pa.
Nice shot.
Maganda nga yata yun na.
Sandwich.
Maganda nga ata yun na. Huwag kang sasabit. Ganda! GT2!
Mas mabuting nagsisimplihan lang.
Guys, shot, brother!
Nice! Grabe. Nag-improve na talaga.
Oo.
Grabe.
Pag nakasama kami mas madalas. Nice shot!
Ano patalo yung inaw?
Isalin na rin daw sa stroke play.
Kaya simula talaga nila.
Si Doc ayaw talaga mag-ano.
Ang ano yan? Ang lupit mag-aral niya. Ano yan?
Nice shot!
Wow! Ayaw talaga magpatalo.
Tama na. Tama na.
Stop! Stop!
Right, sama mo yung mga kaibigan. Hindi sila. Nice shot, Doc!
Tinamaan. Umama pa rin. Stop.
Alright, so Gani, second shot. He's still left with 200 yards to the flag. I think he's hitting his 3 utility. Hybrid. Tama na. Safe. Okay, Doy with 130 yards siguro to the flag for his third shot. Ganda, kaliwa lang. Okay, for my second shot, I'm left with 120 yards. Hitting a 50 degree wedge.
Shot. Ay, shot. Bro.
Grabe, 3 putts. Doy. From the bunker. Huwag ka ng Olympian. Okay. That would be his bogey putt. Miss Vivian. Wow! Sabi ko sa, like daughter, like mother, like daughter sa bunker ah. Okay, Doy for bogey and 3 points. Ako putting for birdie and 2. Potentially plus 1. Tapos si Gani for bogey and also for 1 point. Dagdagan mo na. Lalaylay ko na lang. So may marker niya. Kanan pa nun.
Lakas lang. Uy. Stop. Tapang at tao. Nice spot, brother. Kailangan talaga yan, ha? Malakas. Malakas.
Ma'am, tayo ma'am.
Na-overshadow ba yan?
Okay, hole number 3. I made bogey B2B. Tapos si Doy made double. Tapos, hindi, yung paakyat, yung pabalik. Kasi naman nakikipag-usap ka.
Patong.
Ato yan. Ko, pakaliwa.
Ganda! Patong mo na. Baliktad yung kick. Marifay. Second shot. Ay, sa manasipa. Okay, Gani. Go up and down for bogey na. 13 paces. Olympian. Doy ka for 3 points, ano? 3 ka? 2 ako. Malamang 1 si ano. Gani for 4 points. Pasok! Nice spot. Take it.
Ko.
Ay, mahina.
Ay.
Okay lang. Lakas! Okay. Hole number 4. 324 yards. Currently, Olympics 2 points. Kaming dalawa ni Doy. Si Gani yan, putting for his 1 point. Pero we need to play ready golf. Pasok, Gani! Pasok, 1 point! Okay.
Galing. Yung ano ah?
Ay, Scoopy lang.
Na naman.
Okay lang. Okay lang. Layo pa rin, Doc. Diba? Lagi yung kaliwa dyan. Good shot. Ganda. Lagpas mo lang. Yun. Nice shot. At least hindi bunker. Tsaka hindi bunker. Good shot, brother. Marifay, second shot. Galing yung patama. Magaling yung patama. Need to take my medicine. Need to punch out. Oh, 9 iron.
Oh, French lang. Tama na.
Gulong talaga. Buti na tumama sa bunker. Gulong. Okay, tumama sa bunker. Rolled out. Buti na tumama sa bunker, kundi lagpas talaga. Ganings third shot. So roughly 50 yards. 50 to 60 yards to the flag. Sobra. Went over 27 yards. Left to right. Half flag daw sa kaliwa.
Uy.
Downhill kasi. Naisip ko na yun.
Ay, Gani. Bale. Okay, to go up and down for bogey. Points. Kalating ano pa rin, ano, malaki sa kanan. Halos dyan lang din ang bagsak, di ba? That is for my bogey and 1 point. Go! Oh. Okay, Doy. Potentially for par and 3 points. Si Gani is for bogey 2. Ako rin bogey and 1.
Galing.
Mahina. That's good, brother.
Good, good.
Hindi bumali. Ulan.
Nice bird.
Nice spot, Doc. Nice bird. Okay, hole number 5.
Not yet.
So Olympics, it's 3-1. Tapos, yan sa stroke play, kami ni Doy made bogey. Si Gani made double. Draw.
Yun, patong.
Lumabas.
Buti na lang. Buti na lang. Kanan lang. Okay lang, patong.
Sana sa labas? Sana nasa labas?
Wow. Kabig.
Olympian din talaga to si ano, si Gani. Naku, mabagal. Doy, potentially for 4 points. Right to left, di ba? Tapos left right sa harap. Nice shot.
Bale,
Break right.
tama na.
Right. Yeah, yeah.
Nung nag-oli kami nila monks, meron kaming closest to the pin. Pero kailangan mo, makuha mo yung closest to the pin, additional 1 point, kung mapar. Gani, for 2 points. And for par.
Ay, kulang.
Paki-mark ulit. Good putt, good try, brother. Okay, Miss Marifay. Ang mo left to right eh. Ay, kulang. That's good, that's good. Okay. To save par. Ano bigay mo dito?
Diretso.
Ay, lumihis sa dulo. Lumihis dito oh.
Oo, yan oh. May ukay oh.
Oo, lumihis sa dulo. Dalawa na 3 putt na.
Puro papating.
Nice putt. So, 3-3-2. Ay, 3-3-1. Okay, hole number 6. Grabe, bogey na naman.
Ang galing talaga.
Ah.
Shout out na naman. Shout out na naman.
Shout out.
Ang galing.
Sabi mo, nice shot.
Oh, shot.
Ang ganda nga yun. Ganda! Huwag kang sasabit. Yun, ganda brother, lusot na lusot. Beautiful. Ganda, draw. Left, kick left. Ganda, kick right. Yun! Gani, second shot. Around 100 yards. Go. Ganda. Good shot, brother! Doy, punching out. Ayan, safe. Second shot. Ganda nga, nag-draw kasi. Left with 40 yards. Tirang 30. Ay, kanan masyado.
Op, stop. Stop,
Hoy,
stop.
hoy.
Olympics oh.
Ang bilis, Olympian pa. Okay, Doy. Third shot. Okay, this is for birdie. Ano no? Potentially 4 points plus 1. Sa speed plus 1 din. Minus. Ah, mabilis to. Saan mo binig? Saan mo, anong bigay mo?
Kaliwa. Mga isang bola lang labas.
Bola sa kaliwa.
Yan, shot.
Nice!
Birdie. Birdie no?
Apo.
Nice shot.
So, 5 points. Okay na yan, 1 point. Okay, Doy. Potentially for 2 points and par.
Shot.
Ay!
Okay, take it.
Okay na yan.
Boogie.
Nice touch, dog.
Pasok! Oh!
Okay.
That's okay, hole number 7. So, sa Olympics, I'm currently leading 8 points.
Nice shot.
Si Doy with 3. Si Gani with 2. Tawid mo. Shortcut mo. Ay, so
Alright.
Ay, ba't ka nag-fade ka? Tawid mo.
Shortcut na yan ah. See? Galing, nice shot.
Okay lang.
Punta sa kabilang fairway. Balik.
Ayun, tumama. Bo.
Lumayo pa. Sige pa.
Members bounce. Ganda. Beautiful shot. Nice shot. Okay, need to take my... Ay, hindi pala take my medicine. I'm going for the hero shot. Going above the tree. 130 yards. Kaya anything below, before the tree.
Yan. Dapat na.
Yun.
Uy, huwag na pumatong.
Ayos.
Malayo yun.
Okay, buto. Nice third shot. Go! Go! Patong. Gani. Unfortunately, nasa bunker ulit. Yan, maganda. Bite. Tama na. Ganda! Nice out, brother! Okay, ako naman. This is to go up and down for par. Ano to, Jong? Kaliwa?
Mahigit sang group lang.
Oo.
Ay, nag-kick
Sama ng
left.
bounce.
Kung sumi papakaliwa.
Doy. Putting for 3 points. Pasok, 3 points.
Oh.
Gani for bogey and 2 points. Oh, diba? Sakto, Doc. Diba? Good putt. 2 points. Ay, bumali sa dulo. Pakitake. Ay, pakitake. Pakimark. May pakipay, no? May magalang masyado, pakitake. Pakitake. Good putt. Ganun lang. Simple. Wala nang isip-isip. 1 point. Okay, hole number 8. Playing 150 yards to the flag. Ganda. Pasok mo na. Patong.
Look, maliwa.
Hindi mo na
Right.
brother. Hindi mo na tapon eh.
Went over 30 yards to the flag, left to right to go up and down for par.
Bilis yan. Hey, stop.
I have that putt for par and 1 point. Salamat. Pasok! Inside! Ugh. Okay, Gani for 3 points. Kuha! Ay, that's good. Par ba yun, brother? Putting birdie? Ah, bogey. Okay, Doy for 2 points plus 1 for Sandy par. 3 points. So 6. 8, 6 ako naman. This is for par and 1 point. Good putt, brother. Lumihis na
Ulak ka
naman. Masyadong mahina.
lumihis.
I made bogey. Doy, kami dalawa ni Gani made bogey. Si Doy made par. Stop turning. Oo. Kanan, nag-bleed right.
Ay, gago. For right! Ano sa may ano?
Okay, need to take a drop. I'll try to go over this with the 9 iron. O yung walang sulat. Ayan yung ano.
Ito yung bago. Yun, labas na yan. Okay, kita.
Okay. Fourth shot to go up and down for par if ever. Left with 140 plus yards. Hitting a 9 iron. Ay, pitching wedge.
Yun, nabot pala eh. Draw. Draw pa. Patong yun.
At least I have a pot for par. Right off the flag lang. Okay, Doy. Kick right. Ganda. Short lang. Wow! Ay, nag-bite lang. Jan? Halos kalahating grip? Ay, isang grip? Okay, this is to go up and down for bogey na. Chipinski. 10 yards. Go! Mabagal na kon.
Break, break! Ay, 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 ay.
Diretso ba to? Diretso.
Malakas.
Ang lakas, napitik.
Diyan kunin ko lang yung bag ko ha.
Tapos may ano kami galing sa labas.
Ano, pag galing sa labas 1 point, dagdag 1. O kaya kung Sandy Par, yun yung may plaza. Napitik tuloy. I-penalty mo, Doc. I-penalty mo. Gani for 2 points. Uy! Sayang 2 points. That's good, that's good. Right, sa start of our second 9, I'm currently 5 under. Si Doy is at 4. Gani is 3 under. Tapos yan, 5 under pa ako. Hole number 10, it's playing 160 yards. Parang ang bilis.
Ayan na!
Ganda nga.
Ayan na!
Hole in one mo na.
Kick left! Kick left!
Ano yun ba?
Bunker din?
Okay.
Ayun, galing. Ganda. Straight. Patong.
Hop!
Sana fringe. Para Olympics. Yun. Tama na. Labas! Ayun, lumabas, lumabas. Dok. Dok, Nika.
Lakas, Dok.
Okay, Gani for potentially 4 points ulit. Go!
Talagang kinain dito.
Hina. Okay, so for Olympics, Doy is spotting for 3 points plus 1 kasi Sandy Par. Ako 2 plus 1 if ever for birdie. Left to right. That's good, that's good. Good putt. For 1 point. Uy, lakas lang. Okay, hole number 11. Umabot ka sa bunker? Tumira na si Doy. Bunker ka? Sa kanan? Okay. Turn, turn, turn. Turn. Nako! Ang laka!
Kanan.
Oh! Al! Okay, buti na lang nakita ko ang bola ko. 130 yards. Subong ko i-punch. Mababa.
Ay! Par! Oh, dumaan sa kanan.
Okay, third shot to go up and down for par. 80 yards.
Strike!
Kabig na kabig. Doy to go up and down. Potentially, this might be plus 1 from the bunker. 20 yards. Ganda! Nice out, Doy! Okay, I have this par putt, 16 paces. Ano bigay mo? Kaliwa? Tapos si...
Kanan.
Kanan?
Balik sa kanan. Pabalik.
Go! Good par, good par. Naku, malakas.
Hindi umano talaga.
Yun, nice spot. Okay, Gani for 1 point to go. 3. Okay, nice spot. Okay, hole number 12. May movement na sa Olympics. It's 9, 6, tapos si Gani is now 3. So hole number 12 playing 160 yards.
Nice shot. Ganda. Nice shot. At least hindi ka na matutubig.
Alam mo saan ako naka-aim? Doon sa
Nakatago na yung tubig.
Doon ako naka-aim eh. Kasi alam kong magda-draw. Draw pa.
Ay, kay doktora. Salaksak mo siya.
Naku.
Ay, salamat.
Okay, Gani, second shot to go up and down for his par. Bite. Okay lang, brother, maganda. Nag-boost. Okay, Doy, his favorite shot sa bunker. Good out. Ayun, 2 points ka. Okay, so ako putting for 3 points plus 1 for birdie. Tapos si Doy 2 plus 1 for par. Si Gani 1 plus 1 lang pala for par. Anong tingin mo? Regular lang sa speed?
Yes! Yes!
Nice spot! Sandy par! Naka-record.
Messi.
Sa bumali.
Ano? Doyo?
Hindi na umabot. Uy, sayang. Birdie sana. That's good, that's good. Okay, Sandy par. For 3 points. Mahina. Okay. Gani to go 4 points and par. Kuha. Uy, bumali. Okay, hole 13. So currently I'm still leading sa stroke play and sa Olympics. Kanan lang. Balik. Ganda. Nice shot. Gitnang gitna. Nice shot, brother. Layo nun.
Thank you, thank you.
Nice shot. Kuya, pasuyo naman.
Shot, boss. Kick right. Okay lang. Okay lang, boss.
Wow.
Nice shot. Talaga yung rhythm mo of the falling rain. Wow.
Ganda. Mana sa daddy. Nice one, Doc. Ganun din. Going for the hero shot. The pin is here. So kailangan ko iangat dito. Hitting a 9 iron. Ay, sumabit yung dulo.
Or! Bumagsak. Hindi ko nakikita sa bumagsak.
Hindi ko nakita eh. Pero kita ko tumama dito. Okay, tumama sa puno, buti nakita pa rin namin. I'll try to go over the fence. 90 yards. Nasa may flag. Nasa likod ng
Likod nila, Sir Doy. Kanan ni Sir Doy, konti.
kanan. Ayun, okay.
Ko. Ay, bangker.
Okay, landed sa bunker. Oh man. Okay, Doy.
Same kayo, birdie chance.
4. Pag up and down for par. Ay, ang sama ng sipa. Nag-boost. Okay, Gani, potentially 4 points. 3 plus 1. Naku, hina. Mahina. Nahuwi na din.
Nahinaan lang.
Adoy, ganun din.
Tinuloy mo yun.
Adoy for 2 points and bogey.
Ay. Hoy!
Hala! Okay, Gani for par. Lakas. That's good, that's good. B2B. Nice spot. Bogey? Ah, double? Okay, I have this spot for bogey. Firm. Ano to, isang bola?
Ay! Ikot pa.
Okay, hole number 14. No movement sa aming Olympics. Yes, I think 1 over. Gani is ganda. Okay lang. Ganda.
Oh!
Huwag ka lang sa bunker. Uy, sa pool, bag.
Bag, di ba? Oh, good.
Guy, nice shot. Nice shot, brother.
Parang carry naman yata. Okay. Course management lang. Hopefully, fairway dito. Hitting 7 iron. Kakaliwa to. Hindi nag-draw. Doon na talaga ako naka-aim.
Ay, lusot. Wala nga yung makalusot yun.
Dito sa puti, ano, sa kalbo. Hindi talaga ako naka-aim kasi akala ko kakaliwa eh.
Oo.
Puro puno, kailangan tira sa taas. Ito, dito, this is the line. 100 yards. Hitting 60-degree wedge.
Sana all.
Shoot! Nice! Patong.
I was able to go over the tree. Patong for birdie. Yeah. Hey Gani, I think this is to go up and down for par. Oh, good up. I'm playing 5 to go up and down for bogey. So potentially 4 points, Mr. Raimundo. Okay, 1 point ka, Doy. 3 points ako plus 1. Si Gani 2. Pating par ka, Gani? Okay, 2 points plus 1.
Verde.
Gani. 2 points plus 1. Oy! Paki-mark, Gani. Sayang! For bogey. Good putt. Bogey. Bogey at 1 point. Alright, hole number 15. Last 4 holes sa Olympics. Currently, I'm leading with 13.
Kaliwa mo, sir.
Followed by Doy with 7. That's Gani with 3. Then stroke play with that birdie. I am back to 3 under. I stop turning.
Ilang yan, sir.
Manan lang.
Clear.
Yan.
Ganda. Perfect.
Talaga.
Nice
Sakto
shot.
talaga yung-
Wow! Wow! Layo niya. Malaya.
Layo ng gulong yan. Yun din. Okay, for my second shot, left with 154 yards to go up and down potentially for eagle. Hitting 9 iron.
Ay, kumaliwa. Sabi na.
Okay, Doy. To go up and down. 4 par, I think. Or for birdie. For birdie pala. Nice shot. Third shot, 22 yards to the flag. Pero tira mga 15 to 18. Dapat right before the green ang bagsak. To go up and down for birdie. Ay, malabis talaga. Dapat 60 pala. Kung ganun yung gagawin ko.
Tama na.
Ganda yan. Ganda yan, baba. For Olympics, I'm putting for birdie. 3 points plus 1, 12 paces. Tapos si Doy is birdie also 2. Tapos si Gani 1. Tama na.
Ay, kurang pa. N.
Uy, bumali sa dulo. Okay na yan, good par. Pasok. Nice spot! Nice spot. Nice spot, Doc. Okay, Gani for 1 point and par. Kuha. Uy, lumihis na naman. Right, hole number 16. Playing 102 yards.
Draw. Draw pa kunti. Ay, ay, ay.
Talaga ako naka-aim. Nice shot.
Ay, nako, talaga mag-uupit.
Ayan na nga. Huwag ka lang... Tama na. Kaliwa.
Favorite talaga.
Beach na beach ka na, Doc, ah.
Ano, ang init na kasi. Ang summer na.
Go! Tama na! Yun! Okay, Gani for par. And 3 points. Pasok! Ooh. Okay na yan? Ako? So 2 plus 1 ako.
Ay, mahina.
Doon lang talaga naghatid. Okay, Doy for birdie. 1 plus 1. Kuha! Ay! Abot! 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 Nice! Nice birdie! Ay, sandy par! Sandy par! Sandy par! Pangalamang sandy par na yun, ah. Nice one, Doc. Galing. Nice, Doc po. Magpopo na nga rin ako sa'yo. Okay, hole 17. No movement kami sa Olympics. It is playing 180 yards per downwind. So, nice. Lako. Ang tulis eh.
Grabe, siguro talaga ba? Wow. Ay, pinahangin. Lahangin lang oh.
Okay, went right. Yun, maganda. Stop fading. Magkadikit tayo, brother. Nice shot. Tama na? Huwag kang aabot dyan.
Okay, save.
Okay, Doy. To go up and down for is par.
Nice, Doy! Wow! Yun, nakita ko. Ayan, okay. Thanks, Doc.
O yan, Doc, ano? Brother,
Thanks, Doc.
for birdie. So,
Yes.
3 plus 1. Yun. Kuha! Ang bagal nga. Ko! Uy, lakas naman sobra.
Nice! Yun! Grabe talaga, firm na firm yung gulo ng left inside lang.
Apo.
Nice, Doy! Yun, no? Talagang heart shape talaga yung love goal.
Alright, hole 18. 13 na ako sa Olympics. Si Doy is now at 8. Si Gani is at 3. Good shot. Ganun pa rin. Nagmadali ka naman.
Ganda. Nice shot.
Second shot, left it 220 yards. Hitting for iron. Okay, to go up and down for par. 83 yards downwind. Left to right. Subok, mga tirang 65.
Tuloy.
Ay! Okay na, Olympian. Pitin? Talagang doon ko pinabagsak eh. Gan. 94 Olympians. Okay, Gani.
Ganda.
Ay, sobra lang. Hey, Marife. Go up and down for bogey. Ganda, bite. Nice shot! Nice shot! Nice spot. Dinagdagan ko na yung bigay natin eh. Doon ko sa dahon. Okay, that's for bogey. Okay, Gani, 4 points. Baba. Bagsak. Baba. Baba. Si Doy for 3 points. Go! Nakakuha yung 3 points.
Ay, naku. Bumalis, ano?
Oh!
Akala ko pasok na to eh.
You know, nice spot. 3 points.
Gusto niya na mainit.
Parang carousel. Tuloy-tuloy mo na.
Picture! Di picture! Camera!
Ha? Kay Louie lang yung ano.
sige, sige.
yung camera.
Thank you. Tara picture tayo.
Nice game, ha?
Dito na lang.
Dito lang, dito.
Ah, dito sa baba. Thank you, Doc.
Thank you.
Kunin ko number mo, Doc, para ano, magsi-secret practice. Para talunin natin daddy mo pagkatapos. Thank you, brother. Ingat ka, have a safe flight. Eh, subo tayo.
Sige. Anytime talagang paano.
Doc, thank you.
Nice game po.
Marifea. Ay, hi. May shoutout ba kayo? Wala shoutout? Thank you very much ulit. Yes. Lahat ng mga one pot mo nakuha natin sa video. Nice shot.